Okay, so she wants me to see something, but you don't want me to laugh.
I promised her she can't laugh. So if she laughs YouTube, then I owe her one. I don't know what I owe her, but I owe her something.
Alright, I'm about to play it.
You're not playing it. Don't you?
Uh-oh.
Well, I went down to the Putnam County courthouse, and I saw the things I just passed out. My mind told me to go inside condom. My name was just me, and it was that. So far, I love you. Come stick on my arm, I'm here when you play ball. I've never seen a hooker look so fine in the back room when I make you mine. I'm gonna come once, gonna come twice. I told him it's cake, she never quit. Well, she won my heart with her big old tits, with her dick sucking lips in her bedroom eyes. I'm about to wish my sperm goodbye. That was fun, let's do it again. And I said, hey, Miss K, well, you're looking so fine. I'd love for you to come and lick on mine. I'll be your pussy to play with my balls. Lord, I've never seen a hooker looking so fine in the back room when I make you mine. I'm gonna come once, gonna come twice. I'm sold to Miss K, cause she never quits. Well, she won my heart with her big old tits, with her dick sucking lips. Her bedroom eyes. I'm about to sperm goodbye.
I promise you won't laugh.
I'm sorry, it's funny.
It's funny.
Where did you get that from?
I was downloading Plies song, Somebody Loves You Baby, and I downloaded that, and it that's what came up. And I was like,
That would have been
what?
so funny. It's like I couldn't just imagine your reaction when you listen to
No.
it. Like, what the fuck? What is this?
I was crazy. Oh, you want to hear another one?
Okay. So he just texted me and said that he needs my direct song about it. So I'm excited. Bye YouTube. I forgot we were recording. Bye.